Okay, so get dribble, dribble, dribble. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. So each team, meron kayong kanya-kanyang jersey number. So we have jersey number 1, jersey number 2, 3, 4, at jersey number 5 according sa inyong pila. Okay, so paano siya mangyayari? Pag sinabi kong dribble, 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 pass to number 2. Ipapasa mo kay number 2 and pakibigay sa kanyang balloon. Pag sinabi kong pass the balloon to number 3, kanina yung ipapasa. Pass to number 1, pass to number 5. At pag sinabi kong
Marga,
number, kung anong huling jersey number yung babanggitin ko.
As in lahat?
For example, si number 5. Kayong dalawang 5 ng magkabilang team, tatakbo kayo sa ating pinakamaganda na human being. Okay? Okay, walang dadakdak ha. Walang dadakdak. Kasi hindi ko ma-sure kung hindi mo mapalaging human being. Okay? And then, all natural yan. Yes, wala yan. Natural lahat yan. Ayan. Okay. So, again, tatakbo ko yung dalawa, magpapakunahan kayo at isisip nyo dito ang lobo. Pag na-shoot ang lobo, ano ang isisigaw? Sisigaw nyo ng malakas ang inyong team name. So, kailangan nyo mag-isip ng pangmalakasan na team name. And I will give you 10 seconds po para mag-isip. And your 10 seconds starts now.
Bini tsaka BTY. Destiny be, Destiny.
Okay. Unahin natin ng boys. Sir, ano daw ang inyong team name as per group?
Unanimous digit po. Timang.
Timang. Timang. Wow.
Timang, te.
Yung 10 seconds, no? Okay, Timang. How about girls team? Ayan, nakikita mo natatalino ang girls team. Ano ba ang inyong team name?
Chika babes daw.
Wow! Chika babes. Okay. So, we have Team Chika babes at Team Mang. So, again, this time, practice muna kayo ng sigaw nyo. Isang sigaw po yung gagawin, ha? Para makredit sa inyo yung isang puntos. Pag yung isa lang sumigaw at umabol sila, sumigaw sila as a team, sa kanila yung 1 point. So, ganun yun, ha? Okay. Chika babes, ikaw tama? Kailangan nyo sumigaw. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, isa pa. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Timang. Timang. Okay, sorry na, kalimutan ko. Timang. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Timang nga.
Okay, isa ba ba? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Parang galit naman kayo sa amin. Hindi kami na nagpangalan sa inyo, ha? Okay, so raise the 3 points ang ating game. Kung sino ng mga 3 points siya ang magiging winner sa ating game. Okay, are you ready? Chika babes. Again, are you ready? Chika babes. How about you, Team Mang? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 1. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 5. To number 2. Wait lang, wait lang.
Nagulat! Nagulat!
Bawasan ng isang buhay. Ayaw mo na bawasan ng isa pa yan. So, sinong nauna? Girls team. Okay. Sino ba bang girls team ng sabay? Dahil dyan, warm up lang. Okay, warm up lang yun.
Nagulat! Nagulat!
Okay. Kailangan mas malakas yung sigaw, ah. Okay, ready? Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 2. Pass number 1. Pass number 2. Pass number 3. Pass number 1. Pass number 2.
Lobat!
Exhibition. Pass number 2. Pass number 3.
Lobat!
Pass number 4. Pass number 1. Pass number 4. Pass number 5. Exhibition is spaghetti. Pababa.
Lower! Lower! Lower!
Pass to number 4. Pass to number 1. Ocho, 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 ocho. Pass to number 2. pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 5, shoot to ball number 4.
Ang galing mo, DJ!
Again, kailangan nyo munang antayin yung last jersey number na babanggitin ko, okay? Ready? 1-1 na ang Team Chika Bears.
Dapat nandun si DJ.
Ready? Dribble, pass number 2. Pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 4. Pass number 3. At subusyon is spaghetti, pababa. Pababa. Pass number 3, pass number 2. Spaghetti, pababa. Pababa. Pababa ng pababa. Pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 4. Spaghetti, pababa. Pababa. Pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 5. Shoot na ganun number.
Wala na!
Ano daw? Grabe lang daw. Grabe, sino parang si Kobe Bryant? Ang mga grabe. Ang ganda ng suot, nakaganyan. Pero grabe ng babalya. Wala naman sa rules natin yung mabalya. Pero, 2 points for girls here. Huwag mo na kayo mag-shoot pag sinabi kong shoot the balloon. Kasi, i-cover ko yung jersey number yung mag-shoot. Okay? So this time, 2 points. Tama? Okay, 1 point na lang. Mahulog sila sa walang nasunod. Okay, ready? Dribble, pass number 2. Pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 1, pass number 3, pass number 1, pass number 4, pass number 5, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 4, pass number 5, pass number 1, pass number 3, exhibition, 8, spaghetti, pababa, pababa ng pababa, pababa ng pababa, 8, pass number 5, pass number 2, shoot number 4! Parang ayoko sila bigyan ng point. Nakashoot sila pero sisigaw nila ako eh. Timang. Sabi ko, brother, nag-uus lang ako dito.
Na-trauma si Yana eh.
Timang. Sinisigawan tayo, girl. Anyway, 1 point for Team Mama. Team Color. Okay, so, balik na kayo naman na. Okay, girls team. Galingan niyo ulit. Dribble, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1. Pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 4. Exhibition, pass number 2. Pass number 3, shoot the balloon number 5. Okay, sino muna? Sabay lang daw. Sabay lang.
Oh, yan oh!
Ano yan, boys?
Ito yung panel of judges. Ito yung ano.
Okay.
There's a panel of judges.
Girls.
Bias!
Yung boys, kasi nauna na shoot yung yellow.
Yes, ang lord nyo. So, yung
Kuya tayo dito, di ba? Uy, babe, may tente ako dito.
Another set, isang set na lang to ha. Pagka, kung sino yung punto sa last set natin, so yung magiging winner, okay? This time, let's start. Dribble, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1, pass number 2, exhibition, is spaghetti, pababa. Dribble, pass number 2. Exhibition, pass number 3. Pass number 2, pass number 2. Dribble. Parang naging sa person. okay na. Nangalan na kayo, okay na. Wait lang ha. Grabe, no? Narinig mo yun? Sa tayo.
Timang!
Wala na yan. Okay. So, nauna ang timang. Team tayo.
Timang sila.
Okay, so yung boys ang nanalo. So girls, huwag kayong mag-alala. Mayroon pa rin kayong consolation prize.
Be out ka na!
Okay,